Go play on that thing over there.
Come here. Where's my kiss? Okay.
Mama, I'm gonna go on play on the playground.
There you go. That's too big, Emma. That's too big. See, look. Now they can't eat that. See, it's too big. You have to break it down for them.
Mama, Noble said I have to throw my turtle in the water so it can float.
What do you want to throw? Let me see. What is it?
I can't.
What is it? Okay, don't throw it then. Oh, Nabu, don't do that.
This is the turtle.
Okay, don't throw it.
We've been talking about this.
Okay, no, keep it with you.
But the rabbit might be inside here.
A what?
Rabbit. A whole rabbit. What if it's some brown? They don't like bugs, they like carrots. Yeah. Eat. See that big one. I'm putting the big piece. Can I throw this big piece? Woohoo! I threw it that big. Okay. I threw that big. No, I threw that one.
Okay.